Hello kids, hope you all are doing great and staying safe. Today we are going to discuss about the story The Yellow Butterfly. This story is of yellow colored butterfly that is admired by a child in the story. Here in this story, the child follows the butterfly on the red rose to the lotus leaf and then to a pink flower on the peach tree. Now, in the end, does Sonu saves the butterfly from the spider? Let's see the story, The Yellow Butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer and still closer. But then, kids, there was a beautiful garden that belongs to Sonu. One day he saw the butterfly in the garden and he ran to catch it. But the butterfly flew to the rose bed and sat on a red rose. Kids, your red rose bed means particular place in the garden where beautiful roses are grown. So the butterfly sat on red rose. Sonu thought he can catch it easily. Now Sonu started walking slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He went closer to the butterfly, and as he was about to catch it, it flew away. Off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They float in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? The butterfly flew to the pond near the garden on a white lotus. As you can see in this picture that there are so many round leaves near the lotus flower in the pond. Butterfly sat on the leaf of the lotus flower and started sailing on it. Sonu saw the butterfly and jumped into the pond. As soon as he jumped into the pond, the butterfly again flew away. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. Sonu looked up and down and started searching for the butterfly. There was a peach tree near the wall, and which color flowers grew on it? Pink color. Very good. So the butterfly sat on a pink color flower, and as soon as Sonu saw it, he shouted loudly. What he shouted? I can catch you. Now as Sonu was going to catch the butterfly on the tree, he was climbing up and up on the tree. Climbing means here kids moving upwards on the tree. As he was about to catch the butterfly flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. Now Sonu was up on the tree and the butterfly flew down. Now again Sonu was not able to catch the butterfly. So kids, after the butterfly flew down the tree, Sonu also jumped down and came back from the tree. He has already chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus, and now he also climbed up the tree. But then also he couldn't catch the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Poor butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider. Now Sonu saw a spider's web in the peach tree, and the butterfly was caught in that spider's web, and it was trying to escape from the web, but it fluttered its wing. Kids, you can see in this picture how the butterfly is trying to escape from the spider's web. It tried to twist and turn and come out of the spider's web, but it was not able to come out. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. Now kids, in the middle of the web, what was there? Yes, a hungry spider. The spider wanted to catch and eat the butterfly. It was moving very slowly towards the butterfly to catch it and eat it. When the Sonu saw the butterfly in the spider's web, he ran and caught the butterfly. Now Sonu caught the butterfly and he was very happy. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Now, Sonu, he was also not happy because the butterfly was unhappy. So what did the Sonu do? He flew the butterfly. He let the butterfly go. Now what did the Sonu do? The butterfly go and fly on the red roses, peach tree, lotus leaf and from flower to flower. So when Sonu let it go, it was very happy and flying all over Sonu's garden very happily and freely, like it was flying in the beginning of the story. So, go, said Sonu, fly away. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on the lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all round Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So kids, what do we learn from this story? That we should let all the animals and birds freely and live on their own. Now we'll see some new words. Escape means to get away. See how the butterfly is trying to escape from the spider's web. Pond. Pond means a small body of still water. Still water means gathered at one place. Now kids, what is this? This is a picture of a peach. Very good. A yellow juicy fruit. Climb. Climb means to go upwards. Catch. Catch means to hold something that has been thrown. Middle. At the equal distance from all the points. Hungry. Feeling need for food. Float. Float means move on the surface of a liquid. Shout. Shout means to call out loudly. Chase. Chase means to catch up. See how the policeman is trying to chase the thief. Flutter. Flutter means to flap the wings quickly. How the butterfly is fluttering its wings. Twist. Twist means to rotate around the fixed point. So kids, this was all about the story, The Yellow Butterfly. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.